In the heart of Madrid, where the cityscape meets the undulating contours of nature, Fran Silvestre Arquitectos crafts an architectural masterpiece, Álamo House. This residential marvel, positioned on a plot with a dramatic elevation and a magnetic pull toward the surrounding landscape, stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of contemporary design and the timeless beauty of its natural setting. Through the lens of Jesús Orrico, the narrative of Álamo House unfolds, revealing a story etched in solid mass and dynamic narrative. The plot's unique topography and the desire for an unobstructed connection to the landscape set the stage for the design journey. A challenge and an opportunity, the elevation of the plot inspire a two-level architectural symphony, a home that defies gravity and gracefully engages with its surroundings. Fran Silvestre Arquitectos embraces this challenge, envisioning the house not as disparate levels, but as a continuous entity. Openings are carved out of the solid mass, a choreography of voids that weave a dynamic narrative into the very fabric of the structure. As one approaches Álamo House, a grand entry courtyard unfolds. Positioned on the northern part of the plot, this courtyard becomes a threshold, a prelude to the architectural spectacle that awaits within. The extension of the interior pavement seamlessly transforms into a terrace, leading to a pool that becomes a water feature within a cloister-like setting. This exterior realm, in harmony with the interior, shapes a square area, a deliberate nod to classic design principles that add a timeless touch to the contemporary narrative. The materiality of Álamo House serves as a blank canvas, a tactile expression of endurance and aesthetic resilience. A deliberate choice to withstand the test of time without losing its relevance, the project emerges as a work of art sketched years ago, yet continues to captivate and satisfy today. Fran Silvestre Arquitectos defies temporal constraints, allowing Álamo House to transcend the ephemeral trends of architecture, standing proudly as an enduring testament to thoughtful design. Internally, the layout of Álamo House is a delicate dance between overlapping areas in the north and a westward extension on the ground floor. These spatial choreographies are not just a functional arrangement, but a symphony of architectural elements, carefully composed to offer a seamless flow between spaces and a visual continuity that resonates throughout the residence. The north-facing position of the house not only facilitates an entry courtyard, but also becomes a strategic vantage point for engaging with the landscape. Windows and openings strategically positioned in Álamo House become portals that frame the surrounding natural beauty, turning every glance into a framed masterpiece of Madrid's scenery. It's an intentional design move that turns the house into a living canvas where the boundaries between inside and outside blur. Materializing the vision sketched by Fran Silvestre Arquitectos, the physical manifestation of Álamo House is a dialogue between light and shadow, between solid mass and voids. It's a conversation that captures the essence of the surrounding landscape, not as a distant observer, but as an integrated participant. The house becomes an extension of its natural context, a living sculpture that breathes and evolves with the changing light and seasons. As the sun paints Álamo House with its golden hues, the project takes on a transformative quality. The architecture becomes a dynamic canvas, a play of shadows that accentuates the sculptural qualities of the design. Every angle, every corner of the house unfolds a new perspective, inviting the residents to embark on a journey of discovery within the confines of their own abode. Álamo House, with its intentional design choices, becomes a testament to the philosophy of Fran Silvestre Arquitectos, a philosophy that cherishes the synergy between architecture and nature, a philosophy that envisions timeless beauty in the marriage of contemporary aesthetics and enduring materials. The project, conceived years ago and immortalized through the lens of Jesús Orrico, stands proudly as a beacon of architectural brilliance, an ode to the enduring allure of thoughtful design in the heart of Madrid.